cleaning the screen with the glass cleaner did not get rid of the bubbling, there's also a trick you can use with baby powder. So to start out with, you need to make sure your baby powder is closed, and you're just gonna shake it up. And then when you open it, all you need is a little poof of baby powder, just a little poof, just like that, all right? This next portion, it might be a little easier with some help, because what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your iPad and flip it upside down over your baby powder. So this is where your friend comes in, and you're just gonna do a little poof and a little poof. And you take your iPad and set it down without wiping the baby powder from it. Now you're ready for reassembly. Reassembly, without removing the baby powder that's on your screen, place it back in the case. Put your front cover on and snap it into place. Alright, and once it is all snapped in place, you can shake it around a little bit, and this will help remove any and all moisture that may be left in the case to cause bubbling.